everyone, happy Halloween! I wanted to come on today to share with you a couple of Doodlebug projects that I created using last year's collection as well as this year. So last year's collection was the BooMail collection. I picked up the odds and ends as well as the paper collection, the 6x6 paper collection from my Doodlebug supplier, who is Jamie. Hi Jamie. She is not too shabby shop, and I will link her information in the description box below. I had also picked up a couple of the shaped sprinkles, the pumpkin party odds and ends, pumpkin party chit chat, the 6x6 pumpkin party paper pad, as well as used some of the mini icons on my projects. And so this is what I came up with. I used my favorite Jaded Blossom dies, and I wanted to use a couple of items on my Cricut. So this is a Jaded Blossom die, and I used the paper collection, and it came out really cute. It's a little bag topper with some candies that I covered up with some candy wrappers. So let me show you. So I used the Rick Rack topper and the candy wrap dies to create these little cuties. And then I added, I wrapped up the little Hershey nuggets, and then I added some of the shaped sprinkles, the Doodlebug shaped sprinkles on the very top, and then added a paper collection in the back. This is a cut apart from one of the collections. I don't remember if it was BooMail or Pumpkin Party, but I used both of the collections. And then this little spider web I cut from the Halloween dies, a little spider web. It's right here. It's really cute, so I cut it out from the black paper. And then I used a little envelope. I found the mini envelope punch board at Tuesday morning, so I used it with the paper collection, and I created a couple of little mini envelope ephemera pieces for her, and just added a little of the sentiments. It came out pretty quickly. However, I took a long time to create this project because what I tend to do is I tend to craft one day, and then I get busy with life, and then I kind of come back to it a week later. So these are my favorite peppermint York patties among a lot of my chocolates out there. But I used this little spiders from the collection, as well as a little chit chat, and then added a little pink web here. So those are my bag toppers. And then I took, I made a little card for her, and someone on Facebook had done a D-stash on her action wobbles, so I picked up a whole bunch of her action wobbles, and I used it on a lot of my projects. They're super duper cute. I popped it up, and I added a little lollipop on one hand, a little cupcake on the other hand, and then I put the Chit Chat Pumpkin Party Halloween Trunk or Treat, and I added a little pop to the little truck as well. So that's my little card for her. I wrapped up some Doodlebug goodies in here, and then I decorated the packaging just using some of the ephemera from the collection, A Haunting We Will Go. And so this is a little ribbon, a bat ribbon piece that I got at Joann's. It was like 50% off, so I used that. And then I created some more tags. These are also popped up with the baubles, and I'm going to just add them to some extra goodies. Really cute. And that is also from Jaded Blossom, the little treat tag die. Really fun. I cut these out. These are candy crackers from the Cricut. I use the Doodlebug collection papers. It's an old 6x6 paper pad that I had. And so then I added some of the chenille stems to close it up. These are some little ghosts and bats in here. And so I decorated with the Doodlebug. And I think these are some candies, some little pumpkin treat candies in here to add to the Doodlebug collection. Here's another little Jaded Blossom die. This is called the Scallop Caddy die. And you basically cut out 2 of the backdrops and then paste it together. And then there is an added layer that you can add. And so I use the collection again and just decorated. It came out really cute. And here on the inside, I'm gifting her a little magic towel. I believe these towels, oh yes, I got it at the Target dollar spot. So she can just put it in the water, and then a little spider towel will pop up. So this one came out real cute too. This is another one of the Jaded Blossom dies, the pillow box die. And this is so super cute. I essentially added some holographic ribbon for her inside, and added the cute little Doodlebug bus with all the cute little images, and I put "This Night Is So Magical, Good Times" on the top. Really cute. This one I also used my lollipop die from Jaded Blossom, and I Wink of Stella the little cloud, and stickled the tires, added "Wishing You a Happy Halloween," and I added a little paper straw. This is from the Dollar Tree from last year, and of course a Cafe Latte Sees Candy. And I picked up a whole bunch of these Doodlebugs for the Christmas season, for the holiday season. So I'm going to be making a whole bunch more of these products using Jaded Blossom because I love how it comes out. It's so quick and easy, so simple to create these projects just to gift out. It's really cute packaging, and I love gifting these out. I made a whole bunch for my co-workers' kids, and I'll leave at the very end of the video a couple of pictures. Let's see, lastly, this little pouch, little envelope pouch I created last year, and I used my, let's see, I forget what I used. I used fabric that I purchased at Joann's on Tuesday morning, and then I added the, it's a special fuse where you iron the fuse, so where you can fuse your fabric to your felt, and I will link that in the description box below. I will be making a couple of these for the Christmas holiday, but I created this little, whatchamacallit, a clothespin to add to the envelope, the fabric envelope. And this, I used the Desire that I picked up at Tuesday morning. And if you know my Teddy Boo, she is on YouTube. She created these really cute ribbon embellishments using some ghosties, and I was so inspired by that. I created one using the Doodle Pop, and then I created another one using some stickers. So this is going out to my friend Tara. It's going out a little late because I had a migraine the past couple of days and I didn't have a chance to go to the post office. This is another inspiration that I picked up from Liz Russell. Hi Liz! Thank you so much for the inspiration. She picked up a whole bunch of these at the 99-cent store, and I found a couple and embellished it with the Hobby Lobby trim, and then added a black bow and some spider embellishments to the tops, and some black beading. So I'm gifting this also to Tara as well. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. Stay tuned. Hopefully I will be showcasing a couple more of the Doodlebug for the upcoming Christmas holiday. I hope everyone had a great Halloween. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.